Hello everyone, this is Lorena, and I'm back with another Duel Links video. In this video, I have unlocked the next episode. Obviously, I mean, you guys can already tell. Oh my god. I feel like I had to breathe. I also had to do a lot of other shit. Yeah, he's tougher than a... What? He's tougher than a charcoaled lamb chomp. He's tougher than a charcoaled lamb chomp. Is that really a problem for you, I'm not sure. Varus, is this really the only way? It's like you're still a prisoner of your past. Prisoner of the past. Oh, is he like me? Wait, I shouldn't say that. The extinction of mankind. As the Ignis evolve the simulation state, that they'll think differently than they do now. They'll want to kill us because they'll know we're idiots. That instead of solving mankind's problems, it'll be easier to eliminate mankind itself. So I was just being redundant. You believe that the Ignis are evil because they are going to destroy us. Then, if we're willing to go and destroy the Ignis, what does that make us? Playmaker. Whatever you say, there is no other option. We are chained to our past. It should come as no surprise that your hope was always an illusion. And with that, I'll fulfill my dad's wishes and save mankind. You're going to do no such thing, Revolver, because we're trash as a species. Let's just be honest. Varus! There is no talking your way out of this. Witness once again that my duel transcends everything you know. Okay, I see. Interesting. This is probably how I get a lot of event points. Alright, I see. I'll kick your ass, Varus. And when I'm finished with that, I've got something else I'd like to do. Let me test my deck. Okay, Varus. But you're only level 20 right now, so you're not much of a threat. Oh my god. Do I really want to say this? I could break. I could break. That would suck. I hope I don't. Also, I actually wanted to look at Varus's lines, and I actually like some of them. And some of them I like for a pretty dark reason, but I mean, they're there. They're there. Also, what is his dub voice? I just want to know. Am I going to think the same thing I thought when Playmaker spoke? I'm not sure. Okay, you activate your skill. Okay, sure, whatever. I'm going to take a break for a moment, and you guys are just going to hear the voice lines while I'm breathing and shit. And taking a moment to drink some water and all kinds of things. You guys might honestly hate this, but whatever. I don't know yet. I haven't heard his voice in the dub or the game, if it's different.
Here I go. I summon a monster.
What's my opinion? I don't know. He kind of sounds like he's in his... I don't know, he sounds like he's in his 30s or something. Maybe the voice actor is.
I activate my monster's effect.
Okay, actually, that could be 20s. Maybe mid, late 20s. Mid to late 20s, I guess. I'm supposed to be taking a break.
From my hand, I activate a field spell. I'm not as kind as you think. Activating anti-glare shield.
Oh my god! Activating anti-glare Activating anti-glare shield. For some reason, that's just hilarious.
Allow me to give you 3 reasons why you will not survive.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to pick the order of those 3 reasons. Like, all of them are in here. But what was the first one? I've seen the second and the third come up. But okay.
1. I hold the advantage in life points, monsters, and cards. 2. My desire to win is greater than yours. And 3. I'm just a better duelist than you. The digital world must not affect the real world. I don't need to apologize for anything I've done.
Oh.
Take your pick. Lose quickly or lose painfully.
I like his personality. I think that we have similar ones. Well, obviously, I think I'm kinder than Revolver is, but I'm also not as kind as you think either.
When I win with style.
Good, I'm glad you have style.
Activating anti-glare shield.
Oh my god.
Your deck seems to finally be working. Nothing in the digital world is real.
Okay. Sounds like you sound like a conspiracy theorist, Revolver. Oh my god.
I don't need to apologize for anything I've done.
And neither do I. Neither do I.
I'm not as kind as you think.
Okay, am I done yet?
You don't have the spine to be a duelist. You'll be an excellent guinea pig to test my deck.
Oh.
I never understand the strategies of the weak.
Oh my god. Savage. So savage. I love savageness. It's nice. You know, because I hate mercy. I only duel without mercy. Although I have to draw the right cards and be against the right people for that to actually hold true. But we'll ignore that, I guess. I mean, I'm going to ignore my losses because that's just part of the game. I just had to deal with that. Okay. I know I'm going a bit slowly right now, but I wanted to go through his lines. I'm sure there was maybe 1, 2 that I missed. But I wanted to see them. You know? There are some lines I haven't looked at either. I don't think I've... Let's see. I don't know. But this cast sounds oddly very mature. I mean, I know what kind of series this is, but still. I mean, take your pick. Would you rather sound younger than you are or older than you are? I mean, really.